Hi everyone, Donut here. Just a quick little shooting breakdown for you tonight. Then I'm going to jump on stream if you want to come hang out and ask me some questions and bullshit around and have some fun. This isn't the big shooting breakdown I've been working on, but this one is nonetheless very, very impressive from an officer standpoint. Got some damn fine shooting in this one. Pretty cut and dry shooting. I wanted to showcase this one because I had a lot of you guys ask me to break this down, and there's not too much to break down. There's just a really amazing shot that takes place. Fremont, California. Fremont police officer Birch was working traffic enforcement when he heard over his police radio a vehicle had activated a license plate reader camera in the area. What had happened was this license plate reader saw that there was a car driving around that had been reported stolen that was in connection with a shooting that had happened in San Francisco. Officer Birch tries to pull the car over. They don't want to pull over at first. When the suspect finally does pull over, he gets out and instantly starts shooting at Officer Birch while he's still sitting on his motorcycle. Seeing as how motorcycles are extremely piss poor cover, the officer jumps off and dives into the ditch to the side of the road. The suspect runs to the officer's motorcycle, and I'm not sure if they made it clear that he was trying to get on the motorcycle or he was trying to take the AR-15 off the motorcycle. Probably the latter, but he realizes that's not going to happen when the officer starts shooting at him.
Vehicle yielding.
The officer misses his first 3 shots, but that 4th shot at a laterally moving target about 30 yards away gets a headshot. I think it was a headshot.
Vehicle yielding.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. 1199. Shots fired.
The way the guy stiffens up kind of looks like a headshot. Amazing job, Officer Birch. That just goes to show that you never know what you're going to be pulling over on a traffic stop. Things can get nasty really quick. That's all I got for you tonight. I'm going to be over at twitch.tv/donutoperator if you want to come hang out. Check out my merch at Bunker Branding. Let me know what you thought about this shooting in the comments below. Until next time, everyone, please have a fantastic day.
Whacker.